All right, language explorers, let's look at this week's Thursday adverb. At least, at a minimum, nothing less than, no way less than this, not going to go lower, at least here, not lower, no, at least. Can I at least see it? Will they at least go there? Can't they at least talk to him? Can't they at least, at the very minimum, can you at least go there? They won't even say this at least. She can't even do this at least. Yeah. I at least want to see Mexico City. She wants to at least spend 1 month together. He needs to spend at least 2 hours in the morning on work. They want to go to the beach today at least. It will need at least two power sources, two keys. It needs at least 2 people to work. At least, nothing more. Not 1, 2 or more. I spoke to them for at least 1 hour. Now, he's been writing for at least a month. I've been teaching for at least 2.5 years. Yeah. 3.5? No, 3.5 now. 3.5 years. Wow. 3.5 years. Just about 27. Yeah. Well, no. Almost 4, if you think about it. 17. Yeah, wow, almost. What? 3.9. Yeah, wow. For at least 3 years. How cool is that? She will have fun for at least a day. We will spend at least 2 hours there. How cool is that? Yeah. I've been learning Spanish for at least 3 years. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, very nice. Yeah. So at least, a minimum, nothing less than. At least, nothing less. So, can you use at least in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? Like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on YouTube, Udemy too, when you search Adrian Nanchev. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.